3.
I, Sheikh Alina Zahra from class 3.
Positive thoughts come from positive atmosphere. Making someone else happy is one of the best feelings.
Welcome to the new morning. With smile on your face, love in your heart, good thoughts in your mind.
Wish you a lovely morning always. To the respected Principal Reverend Brother Joseph Amal Rajan, dear teachers, my brothers and sisters.
We class 3 welcoming you all to today's morning assembly on the topic sharing is caring.
Prayer is talking to God Almighty, the creation of whole universe. So let's start our assembly with prayer and prayer song. I would like to call my friend Master Ross and from class 3 to do the prayer after the prayer song. Please join us.
आप शहरा